Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the OkCupid dating app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OkCupid is one of the longest-running dating platforms, originally launched in 2004 and now widely used worldwide. It's known for its detailed questionnaires and unique matching system, which aim to pair users based on compatibility rather than just looks. Unlike swipe-only apps, OkCupid allows for more in-depth profiles with prompts, interests, and lifestyle questions that help you connect with people on values as well as attraction. In practice, many users appreciate OkCupid's inclusive approach. The app supports a wide range of gender identities and sexual orientations, making it one of the most diverse dating spaces available. The matching questions, which cover topics like politics, lifestyle, and relationships, help create more thoughtful connections. Users often mention that conversations on OkCupid can feel more meaningful compared to apps that focus mainly on quick swipes. On the positive side, OkCupid's algorithmic matching gives you compatibility percentages with potential matches, which can save time in filtering. The app also offers a balance between casual dating and people seeking long-term relationships, so it attracts a broad community. Messaging is free once you've matched, and the depth of profile information makes it easier to find common ground. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users find the questionnaire lengthy, and filling it out can feel overwhelming at first. The free version is functional, but premium features, like seeing who liked you, boosting profile visibility, or advanced search filters, require a subscription. In certain locations, users report smaller active communities compared to apps like Tinder or Bumble, which can affect match frequency. Additionally, some people note that not all profiles are actively maintained, leading to less engagement. In summary, OkCupid is worth using if you value compatibility-based matching, inclusivity, and deeper conversations. It's a strong choice for users seeking something more substantial than casual swipes. However, if you prefer fast-paced dating with minimal setup or want maximum visibility without paying, other platforms may fit better. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.